part 2 of this series, I showed you how to use a track matte mask with Alpha. In this video, I will show you how to use a track matte mask with Luma. A track matte mask with Luma uses the color light value of any color, typically black, white, and various shades of gray, of the mask itself to determine how much of the underlying pixel will be shown or hidden. For geeks, this is called the grayscale value of a alpha channel. Let's look at an example. If you're following me from part 1 and 2 of this series, I added the Safari guide with the binocular back view action. So I will continue from there. Create your own scene with a background and animation for your project, if necessary. Add a shape to your scene using black, white, and gray that will be used as a mask later. I created this binocular lens image. In my case, I will select the background layer and cut it where the binocular lens layer starts, because I want the mask to be shown only in this area. With the background layer still selected, in the settings panel, click Track Matte to open this panel. Choose a mask, in my case binocular lens, and Luma as the type. Be careful not to select the alpha type, which will cause the entire mask to be shown regardless of the black, white, and gray values. You'll see why this is the case later. In my example, I will also reduce the length of the title layer so it does not show when the mask is being applied, and later prove a masking concept. I will show you how to animate this mask in an upcoming video. The black color outside of the mask is the canvas color, which is currently black, giving the illusion that it's part of the mask. However, because the mask has black in it, remember black conceals pixels of the underlying layer, making them transparent in that area, and as a result, revealing the color of the canvas. To prove this, I will change the canvas color to illustrate that it does not matter what color the canvas is. The black color of the mask will always appear to be the same as the canvas color because the mask is transparent, showing the canvas color in those areas. But what about the shades of gray? While black areas of a mask will completely conceal pixels of the underlying layer, making them transparent or invisible in those areas of the image or animation, white areas of a mask will completely reveal pixels of the underlying layer, making them opaque or visible in those areas of the image or animation. And gray area of a mask will partially conceal and partially reveal pixels of the underlying layer, making them semi-transparent or translucent in those areas of the image or animation. Notice how the edges of the binocular lens where the shades of gray are used in the image become semi-transparent where the mask is applied. In the next video, I will show you how to use a Create Studio built-in mask to crop or edit an image or video, and how to move the mask or the image independent of each other. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click the like, share, and subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any more videos like this one. Click the link below to go to my channel. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. And remember the rap, the more you learn, the more you may earn.
If you're a business owner, then animated explainer videos are the best way to capture attention, get more followers, and drive more sales. They're engaging to watch, super shareable, convert better, and make you feel like you're watching a Pixar movie. Which is why they're used by massive brands like Google, Amazon, and Facebook. The problem is they can cost up to $25,000 for just one video, or require a fancy animation degree or complicated software to create one yourself. But what if there was a way anyone could create Pixar-level videos in just 10 minutes? Introducing Create Studio 3.0, the easiest way to make animated videos that lets anyone create professional 3D explainer videos in just a few clicks. Choose from your massive library of customizable templates, promo packs, and pre-animated characters. Drag and drop onto the timeline and easily edit in seconds. Quickly create your own custom 3D characters, just like in a video game, changing their hair, accessories, skin color, and clothing. Plus, you can add any voiceovers to your custom characters, all perfectly lip-synced in just one click. But it doesn't stop there. Your Create Studio library comes with fully customizable templates for any video you need. Social media ads, sales videos, lower thirds, and callouts, promo videos, and more. Which is why Create Studio is trusted by 35,000 business owners worldwide with over 1,200 5-star reviews. And when you get Create Studio today, you'll also unlock a bunch of extra bonuses, like the gorgeous 2D character builder, with hundreds of extra backgrounds, scenes, and characters to choose from. Plus, you'll also get the hand-sketched doodle creator to turn complicated topics into easy-to-understand videos. And if that wasn't enough, we're even throwing in 100 social media scroll stoppers, so you can stand out on the feed and grow your social media on autopilot. All of this is a combined total value of over $799. But for a limited time, you can get lifetime access today for just one payment of only $67 with 0 recurring fees. Where we guarantee using Create Studio, you can build your first pro-level animated video in under 10 minutes. That gets you more attention and sales over the next 30 days guaranteed, or your money back. So what do you have to lose? Just click the button below to secure your lifetime copy for only $67. And start making stunning videos that get you more attention and sales for your business.